Hey guys. So as you can tell, we are in the car and we are on our way. Something very special is happening today, or at least we think it is. You know, with these things you can never be certain, but we think it is. So when we got in the car today, we thought we were going to go, my best friend Ashley, she has an appointment at the hospital today. She is 38 weeks pregnant and we were going to look after her kids while she had her appointment, which was at 10. But a few hours before her appointment, she said that she was having contractions and that she was heading into the hospital early. So we were already going to the hospital anyway, but now it might be for a different reason. And what the plan was going to be for when Ashley was having her baby was that I was going to stay with her and Jaleel while she has her baby, because she wants me there as a support person, and obviously also to hopefully capture some footage on her camera. I'm really nervous about that, but I hope I can get something, because it's like a really important moment. You wouldn't want to miss it, would you? Just feel like, whoops, missed it. Okay, I probably shouldn't joke about that, because if that happens it's gonna be really awkward. Anyway guys, I'm really excited. We're actually just on our way now to go and get 3 booster seats, so 3 of the kids can sit in booster seats in our car, because we've got 6 anchor points in our car, which means we can have up to 6 fully tethered car seats. But booster seats don't require a tether, so we're going, like, they're not ideal, but we're going to get 3 booster seats for Evan, Otto and Jensen, who are almost 7, 6 and 6, and I think booster seats can be used from 4 years old, so technically they're fine age-wise.
Can I get one, Mommy?
You're gonna stay in your car seat, alright? Technically it's fine, but I like to always do the best I can. But in this situation, this is the best we can do. Well, you're going to be in a booster seat, Evan.
Amara and Dakota are going to be in our seat.
Yes, Amara and Dakota are going to be in your seats, as they're littler, obviously. Anyway, it's been... I don't know, buddy. We'll figure it out.
I want to sit in the back.
You want to sit in the back?
I want to sit in the back with you.
We'll see, okay? So it's been a lot of, what is it? Trying to organize everything, and I don't know. It's tricky, like, because we both have so many kids combined, and we're trying to figure out the best way for it to work. And yeah, I wasn't sure if I was going to stay with all the kids or be with her for her birth. But Ro will be right with all the kids. You're gonna be right with 9 kids?
Yeah, I'll be right.
He will literally be fine. Like, he handles our 6 fine, without an issue. I think an extra 3 will be no big deal, and he knows them anyway. So anyway, I'm stressing out a little bit because I don't know, we should be there now, but we've got to get these car seats first. So hopefully she's not having the baby at this very second, hopefully. But I've got to stop stressing out. Everything is going to be okay and everything is going to be awesome, and I'm really, really excited to meet this baby.
Daddy, why is the wind staying in? Ow!
Yeah, that's what you do with your feet, don't you?
And the wind saying that.
Is the wind telling you to do that?
Yeah.
How clever. You having fun, pal?
Yeah.
On the swing? Yeah.
I go faster.
You go faster? Yeah. Is Rosie having a good time too?
Yeah.
Is that fun, Hanky? Looks like you're about to have a snooze, Ruthie. Where's Hank? Bye Alright guys, so Chloe's gone with Ashley and Jaleel, and I'm with all the kids today.
And I hope they get the baby.
You hope the baby comes today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we see it today?
I don't think we'll see the baby today, but we might see a picture. Hey Felix, are you excited for Ashley to have her baby today?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll be a boy or a girl?
A boy.
A boy?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll have redhead like you, Jensen, and the girls?
Yeah.
It's a pretty high chance, eh?
And Pearl.
And Pearl, yes.
He's cutting over. The mom and the They're
They're gonna sleep in your bed.
Yeah. Because Jensen's sleeping in Evan's bed. Yeah. What? Yeah,
No,
he's
he's
sleeping.
not.
Yes, he's sleeping over tonight. Though.
Yeah, but we've got another mattress for him.
Why he's got in my bed?
Well, we've got a mattress for everyone, so we don't need to share beds, okay?
Jensen, we're gonna watch a movie at our house. Yes! Can we watch a movie at the house?
Evan, get your water bottle, please.
Daddy, can we have some popcorn? Can we have some popcorn? The one I bought at the shops a few nights ago. He was sneaky at night.
Who is sneaky?
Daddy, to the shop. Is he really, Evan? Yes.
Alright, watch out.
And he got even another thing of peanut butter. I don't know how to peanut butter. I haven't, Daddy, I need to refill my water bottle. Going our house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I am at the hospital with Jaleel and Ashley. And Ashley's in labour at the moment. And the baby is coming today. Isn't it?
Yeah, whether we like it or not.
Yeah. I still feel weird calling it an it.
I know, I feel bad, but we'll know soon, we'll know soon.
I know, the kids were pretty confused about whether it's a brother or a sister. They just kept saying both. They're like, the girls were like, it's gonna be a sister. And Jensen's like, it's gonna be a brother.
Yeah,
I'm like, it's gonna be a beautiful, healthy baby.
Exactly. And you're all gonna be happy.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited.
Me too, I just want this to be over.
Well, you're handling it very well.
Not long now.
Not long now.
Alright guys, so we're home now.
Yeah.
We've been home for a few hours. We've been having lots of fun playing.
Can you fix this?
What needs fixing, Pearl?
It's gonna fall off there.
Oh no, I think you need another extra bit underneath here. How does that look, Pearl?
Yeah.
Does that look better?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you guys ready to have some dinner soon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Eat my cheese and dinner on my it home.
Hold on, Rufus.
Skitty on my dinner.
You want cheese?
Skitty top.
Do you-
top.
Do you guys like cheese?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah? Vegan cheese?
And dinner I want vegan fish.
Vegan fish. You guys like that, don't
Daddy.
you? We had that once when we came to your house.
We don't like eating fish. We don't like eating animals.
Animals.
Yeah. No, we
Yeah.
like eating fish.
But remember when we went to Ashley's house?
Yeah.
Pearl, remember when we went to Ashley's house? We had the vegan fish?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
No, we don't eat things. Dad, I'm gonna keep it safe.
You gonna keep it safe?
Why, Dad?
You guys can call me Ro if you want.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Ro.
Rufus, not you, buddy. You can call me Daddy.
Daddy.
Okay, so we're going to tidy up this area and then we're going to have some dinner.
Yeah.
So do you want to help Rufus?
No, I'm going to talk away, Daddy.
Oh, you want to pack away the Pokemon game?
Daddy.
Thanks, Rufus. Alright guys, what are we doing today? Sleepover?
Jensen and the twins are.
Oh, that's so cool. Where are they going to sleep? You're going to sleep in Evan's room?
Yes.
Yeah? And Dakota and Amara, where are you sleeping?
With Pearl.
In Pearl's room? Yeah. Have you guys had a good afternoon?
Yeah.
Yeah? What have you been playing with? On your scooter? Do you want to sit down, Otto?
Playing with mice and died.
Oh yeah, we played a game of that, didn't we? That was fun.
Who won? But I did, Daddy.
Otto won.
But I did.
Did you play too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I did play them.
That's so cool.
Alright guys, so Ashley has had her baby.
I look delicious.
You actually do, you look great.
Oh my gosh.
This is little, I can say his name right because
It'll be posted
I'm posting
later.
this after yours.
Yeah, so this is Caspian.
and he's a boy.
Yes. I can't believe that.
I know.
I really did think we were gonna have a girl just because I'm always wrong.
Yeah, well that's nice.
I really honestly thought it was gonna be a girl.
Oh, well, he's a little boy, so you got 2 and 2. So now she's got a 5-year-old boy, twin girls who are almost 3.
Next week.
Yeah, well, in a few days.
Oh wow, yeah.
And little Caspian, who is just like an hour, 2 hours old. I don't know, somewhere between those.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, and he's doing really well. And obviously, judging by this situation, Ashley got her vaginal birth.
I did it.
She did it. It was amazing. She did so well.
And everything's good too.
Yeah, it's amazing.
No tears, nothing.
You did so well.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, so a vaginal birth after 2 C-sections is a pretty big deal. Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, definitely.
You did amazing.
I'm so thankful to you though.
Oh, well, I'm so glad I got to be here.
Alright guys, so we finished our movie. How did you like it? Yeah? Hey Jensen,
Yes.
Dakota and Amara, guess what?
What?
Your mummy had her baby.
Yeah. It's Evan's and Otto's sleepover.
Yeah, you guys are having a sleepover tonight, aren't you?
take these to I want to sleep.
But guys, your mummy actually had her baby. The baby came out.
Yeah. And
Did you want to see a photo?
Yeah. I want to check the baby come out. Which one is it, a boy or a girl?
Well, we don't know yet. You'll have to find out when you see your mummy.
Oh my goodness. It looks like a boy. Mommy,
What do you guys reckon, a boy or a girl?
a boy.
Jensen, do you think it's a boy or a girl?
Boy. No, a girl.
Amara, do you think a girl? You guys think it's a girl?
Come out of mommy's tummy.
Yeah, that's your brother or sister.
It's sister.
Well, we're not sure.
It's brother.
Only your mummy, daddy, and Chloe know at the moment. They didn't even tell me. Do you guys want to see where you're staying tonight?
Yes. first we're going into this room. And my bed. All the friends.
Alright, Jensen, so you got the blow-up mattress, is that alright with you?
Oh, where's his blanket?
Yeah, I'll have to go get them.
And pillow.
Yeah.
I got some carrots.
Alright guys, it's bedtime. Did you guys like seeing the new baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Excited to meet the new baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you glad that your brother or sister are here now? Good boy, girl. You want a boy?
Why is he getting a new baby?
Yeah, they got a new baby, didn't they? In the family.
Did Daddy get a new baby?
Yeah, it's all of their babies. Hey, where's your pajamas?
Here.
That's not your pajamas. Go get them. Yeah, I'll go get them soon, buddy.
Daddy, hey Daddy, those actually can be for both, Daddy.
Alright guys, do you know what time it is?
No.
Bedtime, yeah, nighttime.
There's only one way we can get under here. And there's one way we can get out is here.
You got a secret way of getting under the
Yeah,
bed?
that's because we can play hide and seek in here. Bye.
See ya. Alright, Felix, say goodnight.
Good night, Evan. Bye. Turn off now. Bye. Turn off now. Bye. Bye.